Here I've got HUAWEI Honor 20 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first let's open the settings. Then find and select System, which is the last icon, and now go to Language and Input. Here you should select the first tab, so Language and Region, and we will start with Add a language, so just click on Add Language and select the one that you would like to have. As you can see, you have plenty of possibilities here. So let me pick, for example, Croatian. Now click on Change to do it. And from now on, Croatian is a default language of your phone, of your Honor. As you can see, everything is in Croatian. So now you have to go back to the language settings. So this is the one. Now pick the first tab. And you can simply erase this language from your list by tapping on the More icon. Select the first tab, click on the language that you would like to delete, and select the bin icon here. Confirm by tapping on the tab located on the right side, and now as you can see we are back in English, so now the English is default language of our Honor 20. So actually that is all. This is how you can change language in your Honor 20. You can do it whenever you want, whenever you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.